What I can say is that being on YouTube is a great experience, but it is not for everyone. First of all, I've been on YouTube for a long time on my other channel, and during this journey I've learned a lot of things. If you want to be successful here, you should accept that YouTube is a long-term thing. Being on YouTube, growing a channel, that requires patience, and if you don't have the patience, then maybe you shouldn't start. YouTube growth is slow at the beginning, very slow. Views don't come fast, money don't come fast. And if you expect quick results, then you will probably get frustrated here. And frustration leads people, unfortunately, to quit. Most of the time your views will be low, and if that demotivates you, then you also shouldn't start a YouTube channel. No matter how good your videos are, getting low views at the beginning is almost guaranteed. There is no way around that. And if these numbers are going to affect your motivation too much, then maybe you shouldn't start. Because many people quit YouTube later, not because their content is bad, but because they don't grow fast enough, and that leads to discourage them, and eventually they will give up. So being on YouTube is more like a discipline that you need to gain over time. It's not a short-term motivation. When you start a channel, your main job will be to create videos, create content. And creating these videos, they will take your time and effort. If you don't enjoy creating videos, don't enjoy recording, learning new skills, improving yourself, then maybe you shouldn't start. So you must enjoy what you are doing here. Otherwise, it's not gonna worth your time. As you see, my channel is small too, and I started from scratch. The main reason I keep going is because I enjoy creating content and I enjoy talking about these topics. And these small discouraging numbers are expected at the beginning. But over time, if you keep going consistently, you will slowly grow your channel, and hopefully things will start to get better. So these are my thoughts about starting a YouTube channel this year in 2026. Let me know your thoughts about starting a YouTube channel in the comments below. And if you are interested in this type of content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel so you will also receive my upcoming videos.